Welcome back. Today, Josh is really excited about Mudflaps.
Yes, I am.
And I'm assuming he's going to get me excited about Mudflaps because I've never seen him so excited about something before. So do us a favor and take a somewhat innocuous product and make us excited about them.
Okay, I'm gonna.
And I got to admit,
hopefully.
when I picked this thing up, this thing is preposterously heavy duty.
Is that not heavy duty?
Yes, it is.
And does it not look gorgeous?
It's pretty sharp
So these
looking.
are Gatorback Mudflaps. I've been running these on my truck for about 2 years now, and they are the real deal.
All right, well, let me stop you there. I've never had Mudflaps on anything. Have I? I don't think so. Why would I want Mudflaps on my truck?
So a lot of them are plastic these days, and what happens is they mold around your vehicle, they scratch your paint. My buddy's dealing with that
But
right
why
now.
would I even want Mudflaps to begin with? Any kind of Mudflaps.
I think you're not going to like this. I think all vehicles should have them.
Right.
And the reason is because I've replaced so many windshields on my truck.
Both my windshields are pitted to beyond description.
Yeah, and it keeps the rocks from getting underneath your vehicle and chipping your paint, because your paint that rolls around. It keeps rocks off of other vehicles and cars. It keeps rocks off your trailer if you're pulling a trailer, your snowmobile trailer.
Yep. Screw everyone else.
Am I done?
The trailer makes a lot of sense. Yeah. Yep.
So but these things are like full custom. I mean, you can get them in a single rear wheel. You can get them in a dual rear wheel.
So you run them on all fours?
All these different vehicles.
You run them on all fours?
Yes, all four, 100%.
All right.
Keep everything off the front, and even the snow. We live in Minnesota. We get a lot of rain,
this
slush,
doesn't collect
and
the snow or make it stay in there?
No, I've put, Mark, 20, 30, 40 below in Minnesota.
Yep.
I've ran these things. Freezing rain, I've had no issues in 2 years.
They-
Stainless steel hardware. So these
that's-
are so heavy duty, they send brackets.
Oh, so this is what you hang them.
These are brackets that come to hang them that'll mount to the frame of your truck to hold these up. All stainless steel hardware. I mean, and the texture, they're beautiful. So look at that one.
And does it say it's flexible in the winter?
Yes, and that's what's nice. So if you hit something like a plastic one, a rigid one, rip it off. Bend your panel.
Yep.
Yeah, or break. These don't. That's what's nice. And they're so heavy duty, they don't go sailing in the wind.
Yeah, flapping. I suppose that makes sense.
I pull these from here to Canada. I pull these from here to Wyoming. If I've tested them the best, I've tested them.
Are these?
I'm the guy.
Is it just how many different logos?
Well, I mean, let's just look at what logos you have, Mark.
Ford.
Like Ford.
Yeah. Ford.
Another Ford. Hemi. Look, I mean, these are pretty.
Are they just for trucks?
Yeah, so they're for different. They make them for trucks, and now these have been such a big deal. They're going into the SUVs. So Ford, Chevy, Dodge, of course, all the trucks. The Nissan Titans, the Toyota Tundra, Tacoma. They do it for.
Yeah.
Now SUVs, they're doing the Explorers now, the Edge, the Chevy Traverse, the Equinox, the GMC Terrain, the Arcadia, the Lincoln Navigator, the Ford Expedition.
Ford Fiesta, my Ford Fiesta.
I can custom make you a set for the Ford
Maybe they'll make us one,
Fiesta.
right?
So, but look at, I mean, these are beautiful.
They are beautiful.
And the thing is, you don't have to get all these logos. Like here's the
Denali GM,
the GMC for Mark. Now here's a Chevy for Mark.
Yep, best
he
looking
loves it.
logo.
I'm a Chevy guy too. Don't get me wrong, but then there's a flat one in here, Mark. So they come in polished. These are stainless steel plated. This is black powder coated. So they come in polished gunmetal, black powder coated, and they're made out of stainless steel.
Do they
really cool.
custom logos?
Mark, if you can't find a logo that you don't like, then I'm going to question you, because there are so many. So this is 3/8 thick, heavy-duty rubber.
Thick, and
I mean,
it smells rubbery too.
Yeah, and so what I've noticed with this is like when I drive up to Mark's, because he's got about a 4-mile dirt road driveway, the dirt doesn't like to stick in here because of the texture. And then also when I go power spray it off, when I leave his house right afterwards, it comes right off, which
Usually
is really
faster
nice.
than he came. Yeah, that's nice.
When
Very
you
nice.
ask me to do work, that's what I'm heading
What are they, like $1,100 a piece?
No, so there's so many different assortments you can get front to back. You can get, they start at 12 inches wide. You can get them 14. They come 23, 6 inches long.
12
you can get
inches.
them 26 inches.
So for like the dualies would.
Yeah, you can get dualies too. Yeah. So all I'm going to tell you is go online, check them out. They start at $55 for a pair, and you'll work your way up from there.
That's not that bad.
No,
Wow.
that's not. And mine look awesome after 2 years. The UV ray, the salt. I mean, we have some of the heaviest salt in our state that's put down on these roads.
Yeah.
So I don't know.
Where do you get them? So they're Gatorback.
Gatorback is the brand, and SharpTruck.com.
Sharp Truck.
Yes,
So it's not Gatorback.com.
No, not Gatorback.
Sharp
so these
Truck.
are these are out of the Canada. So it is Gatorback.com is in the U.S. here. So check them out. They're super cool. I've had nothing but good luck and to say with them. And like I said, I've pulled everything with these things, and they're awesome.
All right, you did it, Josh. I'm more enthused about Mudflaps than I've ever been in my entire life.
Really?
Not as enthused as you are, but I'm pretty enthused.
I love mine.
All right.
I clean them every week.
Sharptruck.com.
Sharptruck.com.
All right. We'll see you next time.
So the Fiesta, I was saying, if we take this off,
Fiesta,
or
yeah.
we could take the Ford one,
Actually, this-
and
I
then we
think
could
this
cut
is-
it down to the Fiesta, and they could.
You know, this would
rally
cover
car?
the full back of my